Hey everyone, Chris back at Fore. Hey, wanted to give you an update on our Duckpin Bowling project. It's been a couple weeks, so I figured I'd show you what's going on. Pretty exciting of what's happening in this room. But before we get in there, I just want to remind you of some big stuff happening here at the park. Holiday Lights Miniature Golf has kicked off, and it is open every night from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. If you don't know, we decorate all 36 holes of our miniature golf courses with thousands and thousands and thousands of lights and some really cool holiday scenes. Come on out, it's a lot of fun. 10% of all admissions go to benefit the Caring Place. It's an organization that helps families going through the grieving process when they've lost a loved one. We've partnered with them for a number of years, and they're a great organization. So they'll be here as well too, certain nights, just handing out some stuff and giving out some information. So come on out every night of the week. It's open now through January 3rd. The only nights we aren't open: Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. So stop out for that. This Friday, our Black Friday sale kicks off. Our biggest sale that we have of the year. You get a 2-hour time play pass, $10 fun card, a free slush puppy, and a free round of miniature golf, all for 15 bucks. Best deal of the year. It'll be online. You can stop in the park. We're running it Friday through Monday. Don't want to miss that. Details are on our website. Okay, I am gonna take you inside and show you what's happening with our progress on Duckpin Bowling. As you can see, a lot has changed in the last 2 weeks. It is getting really close to coming together here. So super excited about how this is turning out. As you can see, the 6 lanes behind me here, these will be open to the public. And then we have our 2 private lanes and a little suite that I'll show you that progress as well too. So really excited about how this thing is turning out. We're still shooting for beginning of January. We might be able to sneak it in a little bit early, but we still got a lot to do. Obviously we got to do the flooring, finish up the finishes and painting and everything, but it is coming together really, really quick, and we are super excited about it. Don't forget, we're closed Thanksgiving Day. Hope you and your family have a great time celebrating the holiday together. We will open Friday at 12 o'clock, and again, that's when our Black Friday sale kicks off. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, online and in the park. You don't want to miss it. And holiday lights every night of the week. Stop on out. It's going to be a great holiday season here at the park, and we hope to see you out here real soon. Thanks again for all your support. We really appreciate you guys. And again, have a great Thanksgiving. Thank you.